My name is Jason O'Brien. I am an SCCM admin for Educators Credit Union. We are co-managed, the baby steps of co-management at the moment. We would have problems with being able to restart workstations and servers. Recast provides a tool that makes that easier for you to do, as well as patch management and things like that. Some of my favorite features and capabilities of Recast is the ability to be able to restart a machine and schedule it, the ability to check my warranty information. That part is pretty cool. Innovative. I definitely find them constantly changing the landscape of tools that are available, and they are being innovative in a lot of different aspects.